We've just installed the 2010 to 2013 Lexus GX Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This complete replacement screen has replaced that factory screen entirely with a brand new system that's going to preserve your original radio as well as all factory functionality. When you boot up the unit, you'll see the new Hamilton underlying operating system here. Go ahead and touch Bluetooth and then enable wireless connectivity. Now pull out your iPhone, open up Settings, and then Bluetooth. And you're going to look for a new Bluetooth device. It's going to start with Hamilton on yours. When the code pops up, click Pair. Click Allow to Contacts and Favorites. Give it a few seconds. When you get a prompt that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. When you get a prompt also that says Allow Favorites and Contacts, click Allow. And here it is, wireless Apple CarPlay. This device supports wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. We're not done yet though. I have one other important thing to show you. I've been driving this car for a while, and so my phone has been paired to the old Bluetooth network. It's very important that you delete that old Bluetooth network from your phone. Once you've got the new system set up, you want to come down here and you want to push aux to make sure that you're in aux mode. If you see that message, OEM Bluetooth invalid, that means your phone has grabbed the old Bluetooth network. So it's best, before you even install the device, to turn Bluetooth off on your old screen and delete your phone, but also from your phone to delete the original Bluetooth device, and you'll always want to make sure that you use that aux mode. Your phone is going to stream audio through to the Hamilton system, and the Hamilton system is going to play via your factory aux line audio. This system is going to preserve all factory features. You can see the original backup camera here. You'll adjust your climate control using these knobs, and you'll see that nice pop-up. You can also use the small adjuster here. We'll have a complete overview video that walks you through all of the features of this unit, as well as a full installation video on the YouTube channel. If you have any questions about this process, you can give us a call at 919-858-2890. It's essential to make sure your device is only connected to the new Hamilton system and that you're playing audio via that aux mode. Once again, I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We're grateful for your business, and I'll see you in the next video.